Today, your angels are sending a clear signal. Something big and unexpected is about to happen in your life. The energy around you is vibrating in a different way, as if the universe is setting the stage for a major revelation. You feel this deep in your heart, that intuition that cannot be ignored. It's as if every detail around you is aligned, waiting for the right moment for something surprising to happen. Your angels want you to know that this is the time to be more attentive than ever. Have you noticed that the past few days have been filled with subtle signs? Perhaps you have seen matching hours, like 11:11, or dreamt of situations that seemed strangely familiar. These signs are not coincidences. They are direct messages from the universe, preparing you for what is to come. The revelation your angels are bringing will change your view on something you have been questioning for a long time. It could be an answer you have been waiting for or a change you did not expect, but that will be transformative. Now, it is important to keep your heart open. Often, we are so focused on difficulties and challenges that we forget to see the opportunities that arise along the way. Your angels are asking you to relax and trust the process, even if it doesn't make sense yet. What is coming is not ordinary. It is a revelation that will deeply touch your spirit and guide you towards a new path. It's as if all the pieces of the puzzle of your life are about to come together. The feeling that something is in the air can be uncomfortable, but know that it is part of the growth process. You are being challenged to step out of your comfort zone, and this sense of mystery is exactly what your angels want you to embrace. When this revelation comes to light, you will understand why there have been so many moments of uncertainty. The universe is preparing you for something greater than you could imagine. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should. There is a very strong energy of transformation around you. You may not be fully aware of it now, but slowly, this feeling will become more evident. Perhaps you will notice changes in your emotions or in the people around you, as if something is stirring everyone. This is a reflection of the great revelation that your angels are bringing into your life. Pay attention to your emotions and the signs around you. They are guiding you in the right direction. This is a powerful moment for you to further connect with your spirituality. Your angels are sending vibrations of love and protection, and all you need to do is be receptive. Meditate, pray, or simply take a few minutes out of your day to listen to the voice of your heart. Sometimes, silence is the answer you need. In the midst of this calm, your angels are setting the stage for you to receive this revelation clearly and calmly. This revelation may bring forth unexpected feelings. Perhaps it will be a surprise that stirs up old emotions or makes you question some decisions from the past. But remember, everything that is happening now serves a greater purpose. Your angels are showing you that even in the most challenging situations, there is a light that guides you. They are by your side every step of the way, ensuring that you are ready for this transformation. Trust in the wisdom of the universe. Sometimes, we get stuck in the fear of the unknown and forget that each change brings a new opportunity. This revelation may seem scary at first, but it will be the catalyst for something wonderful. It's as if a new cycle is unfolding, and you are being called to take a leap of faith. Your angels remind you that you are never alone in this process. They are by your side, guiding your steps and preparing you for what is to come. With each passing moment, the feeling that something great is about to happen intensifies. You can feel it in your heart, like an energy that grows stronger every day. It may be hard to explain to the people around you, but this is a personal and profound experience. Your angels are whispering in your ear, asking you to trust in this journey. The revelation that is on its way will surprise you in ways you never imagined. There is beauty in the things that are yet to come. Even though the path may seem uncertain now, your angels assure you that the ultimate destination will be full of light and love. This revelation will bring clarity and answers to questions that have weighed on your heart. Allow yourself to feel the anticipation, but without rushing. Divine timing is working in your favor, and everything will happen at the right moment. Stay open, stay connected to your angels, and trust that the best is yet to come. What your angels want you to know now is that there is nothing to fear. This revelation will open doors that you didn't even know were locked. It will bring with it a sense of relief, as if a burden is being lifted off your shoulders. Your angels are orchestrating everything so that when this moment comes, you are ready to embrace the changes with courage and love. What comes next is a gift from the universe, an opportunity for transformation that will illuminate your journey. Finally, remember that this revelation is just the beginning of a new phase. Your angels have great plans for you, and this is the first step towards something extraordinary. All you need to do is be open and receptive. The universe is on your side, and your angels are ready to guide you through every step of this journey. Get ready, because the best is yet to come, and you will look back and understand the purpose of every moment lived up to this point. Now that you understand the importance of this waiting moment, it is essential to remember that the universe never acts without a clear purpose. Everything happening around you is being carefully orchestrated to lead you to your ultimate destination. Your angels want you to know that this revelation will not be just an isolated event. It will be the key to opening several doors that were locked in your life. Imagine it as a domino effect, where one piece pushes the other, creating a continuous movement of changes. At times, we find ourselves in situations that seem unsolvable, as if we were stuck in an endless cycle of challenges. But your angels want to assure you that each challenge carries a lesson. And when this revelation comes, it will be as if the veil covering your eyes is finally lifted, allowing you to see things from a new perspective. You will begin to understand why many past situations occurred and how they have prepared you for what is to come. You may be wondering why this revelation is taking so long. The truth is that divine timing works differently from ours. While we may want things to happen quickly, the universe knows exactly the right moment for everything to unfold. Your angels are asking you for patience, as everything happening now is falling into place perfectly. When the revelation finally emerges, you will see that the waiting time was worth it. There is a profound transformation happening within you. Your angels have been working silently to prepare you, mentally and spiritually, for what is to come. Every experience you have lived so far has shaped you, strengthening you and preparing you for this new phase. The revelation you are about to receive will confirm everything you have always felt in your heart. Everything that seemed uncertain will start to make sense. At this moment, it is essential that you maintain faith. The path ahead may seem blurry, but your angels are guiding you firmly and with love. They see what you cannot. That's why they ask you to keep moving forward, even when you are unsure of where you are heading. The revelation that is coming will be like a beacon, illuminating the path that was once dark. And when that happens, you will see that you were never lost, just in a process of preparation. This revelation will also bring clarity about some people in your life. Perhaps there are relationships that seemed confusing or situations where you couldn't see clearly. Your angels are showing you that some people have crossed your path for a specific reason, while others are there to teach you important lessons. When this revelation comes, you will begin to understand who is meant to stay by your side and who is fulfilling only a temporary role in your journey. Your angels are asking you not to cling to the past. Often, we get stuck in old hurts, reminiscing about moments that caused us pain. But now is the time to leave all that behind. The revelation that is about to come will free you from any feelings of stagnation or doubts about your worth. You will be able to see your own strength in a way you have never seen before. Your angels are preparing you for a new phase of growth. As this revelation approaches, you may begin to feel a shift in your energy. Perhaps you feel lighter, more connected to the world around you. This is a sign that your angels are preparing the ground for this new phase of your life to start off on the right foot. Allow yourself to feel this lightness and let it guide you. This is a phase of renewal, and all you need to do is be open to what the universe has to offer. Be kind to yourself during this process. The revelation that is on its way may bring up strong emotions, and you may feel vulnerable. But remember that your angels are always by your side, supporting and guiding you. They will never leave you alone, and all this transformation process is for your greater good. Trust that everything that is happening now is leading you to where you should always be. You may feel tempted to try to control the process or speed things up, but your angels are asking you to let go of control and allow the universe to do its work. What is coming will be much greater and deeper than anything you could imagine. The revelation your angels are bringing will be the answer to many of your prayers, and it will come at the perfect time. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Lastly, remember that this revelation is just the beginning of something much bigger. Your angels have grand plans for you, and this is only the first step. What comes next will be even more transformative, and your angels will be by your side every step of the way. This revelation will bring you the clarity you need to continue your journey with confidence and love. Be ready to receive everything the universe has prepared for you with an open heart and much gratitude. As you prepare for this great revelation, it is important for you to keep your eyes and heart open. The signs around you will start to intensify, and you will notice that the universe is trying to communicate with you in subtle yet powerful ways. It might be through synchronicities, like meeting people who say exactly what you needed to hear, or through dreams that seem to carry important messages. Your angels are guiding you, and they want you to know that every detail matters. There is a growing sense of anticipation in the air. Perhaps you have felt this way before major changes in your life, as if you knew that something important was about to happen, but couldn't quite define what it was. Your angels are asking you to trust in this feeling, because it is real. The revelation that is on its way will surprise you in ways you don't expect, and it will be like a missing piece in the puzzle of your life, finally completing the picture. Your angels also want you to pay attention to the emotions that arise during this process. Sometimes, anticipation can bring up feelings of anxiety or fear, but they want you to know that these feelings are normal. Don't fight against them. Instead, allow yourself to feel them and let them pass. Your angels are surrounding you with love and protection, and nothing that is to come will be greater than your ability to deal with it. This revelation will not only be a moment of change but also of healing. You may be carrying some old wounds that need to be healed so that you can move forward with freedom. Your angels are working to bring to light everything that needs to be released so that you can start this new chapter of your life without the weights of the past. Healing is not always easy, but it is necessary, and your angels are here to support you every step of the way. Remember that what is to come is a disguised blessing. It may be that at first sight, you don't fully understand the magnitude of the revelation, but with time, everything will become clearer. Your angels are asking you to trust the process, even if it seems confusing or challenging at first. Sometimes the universe needs to shake us a bit to get us out of inertia and put us on the right path. And this revelation will be exactly that, a push from the universe towards your higher purpose. You may start to notice that certain situations or people are moving away from your life. This is part of the purification process that your angels are carrying out on you. Everything that is not aligned with your highest purpose will be removed to make room for the new. Do not fear these changes. Instead, embrace them with gratitude. Your angels are clearing the path so you can walk with more lightness and clarity, without the distractions and burdens that once held you back. Your angels also want you to pay attention to your intuition during this time. It will be your strongest guide in moments when you feel lost. Trust the signals you feel in your heart because they are your angel's way of communicating with you. When this revelation comes, your intuition will be the first to recognize it, and you will know without a shadow of a doubt that the moment has arrived. This internal certainty will be your beacon in the middle of any storm. The feeling that something big is about to happen can be both exciting and scary. But know that your angels are not just preparing you for a change, they are preparing you for a new level of life. This level will be more aligned with your soul's purpose, and you will start to feel that you are exactly where you should be. Everything that once seemed out of place will now begin to fit together harmoniously. Your angels are guiding you back to your true path. The revelation that is about to come can also bring to light truths that you would prefer not to see. Perhaps there are parts of your life or yourself that you have been avoiding facing. But your angels are here to tell you that this is the moment to be honest with yourself. Only through the truth will you be able to free yourself completely. This revelation can be the starting point for a journey of self-discovery, where you will finally embrace all aspects of your being, both the lights and the shadows. This process may seem lonely at times, but know that you are never alone. Your angels are by your side, offering you support and protection every step of the way. When the revelation finally unfolds, you will understand that everything you have gone through so far has been necessary to bring you here. Your angels are orchestrating every detail, and they want you to know that all the suffering you may have faced was part of a greater preparation for this moment. Lastly, when this revelation comes, your angels want you to celebrate. Yes, celebrate. Because this is the moment you have been waiting for. This is the moment when everything finally makes sense, and you'll be able to look back and see the complete journey. Your angels are giving you the gift of clarity, healing, and a new beginning. They want you to know that this is just the beginning of an incredibly blessed and light-filled phase in your life. Get ready to receive what the universe has in store for you with open arms. When the revelation finally happens, you will realize that the whole universe has been conspiring in your favor. At times, it may seem like we are alone in our battles, but this revelation will be the proof that your angels have always been by your side, guiding every step. This moment will be like opening your eyes for the first time after a long period in the dark, and everything will make sense in a way that once seemed impossible. It's the beginning of a new phase, full of promises and accomplishments. Your angels have been working tirelessly to prepare you, and now you are ready to receive all they have to offer. It's natural to feel a mix of emotions, excitement, curiosity, and even a little nervousness. But trust that everything that is to come will be for your growth and happiness. The universe never presents you with challenges without also giving you the necessary strength to overcome them. This revelation is a blessing, and you will be able to see beyond the current circumstances to understand the true purpose of your journey. In this new chapter, You will also begin to reconnect with parts of yourself that were dormant. Perhaps talents or desires that you had set aside will start to emerge again. This revelation will bring you a new perspective on who you really are, and you will realize that many of the limitations you thought existed were actually illusions. Your angels are here to remind you that you are much more powerful than you imagine, and that this revelation is just the first step in rediscovering that inner strength. Your angels also want you to know that this is a moment of great empowerment. The revelation that is about to come will show you that you are the creator of your own destiny. Although external circumstances may seem out of control at times, the true power lies within you. With this new clarity, you will be able to make decisions more aligned with your purpose and with what truly makes you happy. Your angels are asking you not to settle for what is comfortable, but to be open to what is truly transformative. This revelation will also bring significant changes in your relationships. Some people may drift away, while others may emerge in your life in unexpected ways. Do not be afraid of these transitions, as they are part of the evolution process you are going through. Your angels are showing you that you deserve to be surrounded by people who support and uplift you. Those who are not in tune with this new phase of your life will naturally follow another path, making room for more genuine and meaningful connections. With this revelation, you will also begin to see the world with new eyes. Things that used to bother you or seemed challenging will now seem small compared to the greatness of what you are about to achieve. Your angels are guiding you to a state of deep gratitude, where each day will be an opportunity to celebrate the small and big victories. This revelation will bring a new lightness to your life, and you will realize that everything is possible when you are aligned with your true purpose. The most beautiful part of this journey is that you are starting to understand that the universe never makes mistakes. Everything you have experienced so far has been a preparation for this moment. Your angels are asking you to release any resentment or regret, as everything happened exactly as it should. This revelation will be like a rebirth, where you will finally see life with the clarity and wisdom that your angels have been trying to show you. The past no longer weighs on you, and the future is full of endless possibilities. The upcoming revelation may also lead you to make significant changes in your life. Perhaps you feel the need to change careers, cities, or even lifestyles. Your angels want you to know that these changes are welcome and part of the evolution process. Sometimes we need to leave behind what we know to make room for the new. Trust that the universe is guiding you in the right direction, and every decision you make following this revelation will be a choice in alignment with your true self. Your angels are also encouraging you to share this newfound wisdom with others. Often, we go through major transformations and are afraid to open up about our experiences. But your angels want you to know that your journey can inspire many others who are facing similar challenges. This revelation is not only for your benefit, but so that you can shine your light in the world and help others find their own path. You are a leader, and your angels are asking you to embrace this role with confidence and humility. Finally, your angels want you to celebrate. Celebrate the fact that you are alive, that you are growing, that you are exactly where you should be. This revelation is the beginning of something extraordinary, and your angels are surrounding you with all the love and protection necessary for you to flourish. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that what is to come is greater and more beautiful than you could ever imagine. Open your heart and be ready to receive all the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it contains for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together.